one and all. It has been a very good journey since we started this production, and this has been amazing because uh, it is very important to have a good director, a good co-star, and a good producer. And this has been a very deadly combination, which I was lucky to have. And of course, my co-star, Prithviji. I had really nice time working with him, and the way he expresses every scene. And before starting the shoot, I had heard a lot about him, and the day I met him, I was like, okay, now I have to match his skills. But with director's help, it was very easy, and he's also very cooperative in dancing.
ఎక్కువ మా నరేష్ గారితో ఎక్కువ జైత్రయాత్రలకి సినిమాలు చేసినప్పుడు ఆయనతో పాటు వెళ్తుండేవాళ్ళం. హీరో అనేటప్పుడు స్టెప్స్ ఎప్పుడైనా మనం కూడా ఏదైనా ట్రై చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఒక సాంగ్ అన్నా మన మీద ఉంటే బాగుంటుందేమో అనుకున్నాం. దోలు తీరిపోయింది.